Kuala Sepetang used to be called Port Weld, which was named after a former British governor, Frederick Weld. This old coastal town is a thriving fishing village. It's known for its fishing community at the river mouth, which specializes in fish breeding in cages, also called Kalong Farm. Port Weld is also known for its terminal station, for the first ever railway line to be built in Malaysia connecting Port Weld and Taiping. The railway started its operation on June 1, 1885, through 1941. If you are an avid train lover and wish to drop by to see the historical piece, it's sad to tell you that there is nothing left except an old concrete bilingual signboard indicating its formal station location. The entire railway roads were dismantled in 1980s. Overlooking from the river lies the well-known Mangrove Swamp Reserve Park, the Matang Mangrove Forest Reserve, which is open to the public daily. A boardwalk was built over the swamp for visitors. Kuala Sepetang Eco Track operates in Matang Mangrove Forest and charges 5 ringgit for local adult and 2 ringgit for children. The riverboat ride cost 25 ringgit per person. We are cruising past some well-preserved traditional fishermen's houses built on stilts. You can see some old houses were demolished and rebuilt with concrete. The overhead bridge in the background serves as a modernized way for the fishermen living across the river to access to the mainland side of Kuala Sepetang via foot or bikes. They used to rely on shuttle boats before the bridge was constructed. This is the traditional boat building factory and is still operation now, that serves the demand for the local fisherman community. Those residents living by the river estuary have their own mini jetty at their backyard. We have arrived at Kuala Sepetang Fish Farm, where the local fisherman breeds the fish in floating netting for commercial purposes. There are many eagles resting high above the swampy mangrove trees waiting for their prey. It's feasting time for these hungry eagles. We are arriving at the main boat jetty.